Okay, today's Tuesday. We're going to do medium and mode today. Homework is all. Now, just a reminder, you're going to have your first quiz this week on Friday. Your quiz is basically your homework and your do now. So the better you do on your homework and the better you do on your do nows, the easier this quiz will be. Review your homework. If I make notes and do corrections, pay attention to those corrections so that you can learn from them. All right, here we go.
How much points was it?
It's 45% of your grade.
40.
It's a big, big part of your grade.
If I have a B, it'll go down to
A lot if you do a bad job.
B.
All right,
B.
so iPads. We're done with the iPads. Median and mode. Okay, does anybody remember from last year what is median? Middle number. ¿Sí o no? ¿Sí sirvió o no? Okay. Okay, thank you. Entonces no. ¿No? Pues no. Algo pasa. Pero estamos cercas, pienso yo. Alright. Medium. Middle number. Middle number. What's our first step? Step 1. What do we have to do to figure out the middle number? What is our first step? No. Easier than that. Más fácil. Nope. Very good. Okay. Put the numbers in order. Did it work? Put the numbers in order. From smallest to biggest. Super easy. Just putting your numbers in order from the smallest number to the biggest number. Smallest number to the biggest number. Then, help me out, Andrew. What's step 2? How would I find the middle? What would I do? You have all these numbers in order.
You just take one out. You just take one out on each side.
Very good. Cross out a number from each side. Does that make sense? Cross out a number from each side. I think I like that definition better than the one I wrote second period. Okay, so we're going to practice, so write this down. So after you put them in order, from smallest to biggest number, you're going to cross them out. On the front side, on the back side. Front, back, back. Okay? Okay. So let's say I have the following numbers. I have 17, 15, 25, 20, 21. Okay? These are, I don't know, the number of times I told someone to stop talking. 17 times, 15 times. Okay. What is your first step? I want to find the middle number. What is our first step? What's our step 1? Put them in order. But what if I don't? What if I'm a 7th grader doing my homework and I don't put them in order? So I make a mistake. And I go, oh, front, back. Miss O'Malley, yes? The answer is 25. The number in the middle is 25. Are they right or are they wrong? They're wrong. We have to put them in order. So let's go ahead and put them in order.
Can we cross them out?
Yeah. So smallest number, 15, 17, 20, 21, and 25. So put the numbers in order first. Very easy, way easier than yesterday. There's no adding. It's just putting them in order. What's your smallest number? What's your biggest number? Easy enough? Okay, now we're going to cross them out. So, cross them out. front. Pay attention. Front, back. Front, back. Oh, what's left in the middle? 20. So therefore our median is equal to 20.
Oh, we're supposed to start median.
Our median is equal to 20. What part of this is hard?
A lot.
Yes, that part, right? Yeah, Chris, I totally agree that. Uh-huh, yeah.
Chris.
Yeah.
Chris took this
All right. Let's see. How many French fries can you eat?
69.
1.
69.
I can eat 4,
No, I gave you $2 for myself.
5. I only eat 1 French fry. I can eat 8 French fries.
I can eat it.
Right? Right now, what number's in the middle that's wrong?
8.
1. Because there's 2, 1. 5.
5 would be in the middle, right? But it would be wrong. You have to put them in order. So go ahead and put them in order before I do. And please do not shout out. Put them in order. Go ahead and put them in order. If a number repeats, write it twice. Order. Put them in order. One, 4, 5, 8. Okay. Order. Beautiful. Now cross them out. Front, back, front, back. What's our median?
4.
Median is 4. That's it. There's no adding. There's nothing like that until we get the harder problems.
Are you going to give us only the hard problems?
Ready?
No.
I'm not ready.
What part? Andrew, put your foot down because you're breaking the gears. What part is difficult? That will be hard, but we're not there yet. All right, I'm gonna put them in order for us, so they're already in order. Ya están listos. Okay, let's say 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay, your test scores: 10, 12, 14, 16. You've shown improvement.
Those are very low.
What if it was only out of 16?
Then you did good.
All right. So are they in order? Yes. So now let's cross them out. Front, back, uh-oh. Uh-oh. There's 2 numbers. So let's think about it. What's in the middle of 12 and 14?
15? 14. 13. Oh, no, 15.
But what if it's like a
13.5?
Well, let's think about it as a number line. If it's 12 and 14 on a number line. Okay.
13.5.
Here is 11, 12, 13, 14. I have 12 and I have 14. What's right in the middle?
13.
What if it's like a 27? Like a
Yeah,
15?
I'll get there. Adan, pay attention. Up here. So what's in the middle? 13. You can also think about it. What's in the middle of a 12-year-old and a 14-year-old? Oh,
13-year-old.
you're going to be 13, right?
I'm 13.
So the median is 13. It's the number in the middle. It's a number in the middle. Okay, I'm going to give you another one, a little bit harder. I'm already giving it to you in order. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. What's in the middle?
2.5.
Yeah. Cross out the 1, cross out the 4. So then you got to go, okay, what's in the middle of the number 2 and the number 3?
2.5.
And if you don't know, if you think about it as a number line, 1, 2, 3, Here's 2. Here's 3. Oh, what's right in the middle?
2.5.
2.5. So your median is equal to 2.5. This is where it gets a little trickier, but you should know what's in the middle of a number 2 and a number 3. 2.5. Okay? All right, now let's do a lot difficult one, but you know it's really not, kids. It's really not. All right, I'm already going to have them in order for you to be nice.
Do we have to write order?
No.
Oh, I've been writing order.
It's okay. Okay. 80, 86, 90, 97. Right? Write this down. Everyone's writing this down. You don't have a choice. You have to write this down. Got to write these numbers down. Everyone's writing it down. Okay. So, front, back, 2 numbers. Look at the 2 numbers that I've given you. I've given you 86 and 90. What's in the middle of 86 and 90? I have no idea. I really don't. I haven't really thought about it. So, what you do, here's what you do. If you carry like, I don't know, you add them. Add them.
6.
Good. Now, is 176 in the middle of these 2 numbers? No.
Divide them?
I have to divide by
2.
2. Because how many numbers did you add? 2. So you're going to divide by 2.
That seems like too much work. It does.
I got 83.
Is 83
Oh, yeah.
between these 2 numbers?
Oh, it's 6, not 5, right?
So, when you have like a bigger gap between the numbers and you're not sure which number's in the middle, like the one we did before, it's pretty easy, 2 and 3, I get it. This one, I don't know. So you add them and then you divide by 2. Add them and then divide by 2.
I mean, you could just subtract it.
Wait, the title one?
Okay, subtract 90 and 86.
And then you just found the 2, and then you just add 86 plus 2.
86 plus 2?
86 plus 2.
I just added 2 to 80.
How'd you get 2?
No, if you subtracted them, you would have gotten 2.
Doesn't it make 4?
You get 4 if you subtract.
Oh, I was thinking of different number.
Yeah. I was trying to figure out your logic. Maybe you
My math, my math.
No, I mean sometimes it is. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna practice median on this worksheet. Then we're gonna go back to your notes and do mode. All right, the back side. We put them in order. Now we're gonna cross them out. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so Reuben, now there's 2. Okay, so the easiest one for some of you is just think, what's in the middle of 6 and 8? So others of you are like, I don't know what's in the middle. So what you do, shh, Marley, stop. 6 plus 8. So when there's 2 numbers, add them. What's 6 plus 8?
14.
14. Now, is 14 in the middle?
No.
No. Now we have to take 14 and divide it by 2.
Or you can count 6, 7, 8.
What's 14 divided by 2?
Or you can count 6.
That's what I said the first time. And I said, if you can figure it out with thinking, then do that. If not, you do this. That's why I'm teaching this to everybody. All right, let's jump down to number 4. Number 4. All right, put number 4 in order. Where's the work? Okay, jump down to number 4. Jump down to number 4. Number 4. Number 4. Number 4. 4, 4, 4. We're doing 4. 4. Number 4. So 2, 5, 7, 8, 15, 16.
They're decimal, because they're supposed to be a decimal, these ones.
All right. Front, back, 2. So 1, you look, you can do it in your head, you got it. What's in the middle of 7 and 8? Others, 9. And it's like, oh my God, no. So, what's 7 plus 8? 7 plus 8.
15.
It's 15. Then we take 15, this is how we show our work. We divide by 2. So if you can't see it, if you don't know what's in the middle of 7 and 8, that's fine. You're going to add and divide by 2. 7 gives me 14, remainder 1. Now what do I do with the remainder? And decimal. Write this down, Javier, Rolando. And it becomes a 10. How many times is 2 going to 10? 5. So, therefore, my answer is 7.5. Okay? I want you to do number 2, number 5, 8, and 9 only. Okay. Start it now. Set timer for 4 minutes.
4 minutes.
Because how many numbers did you add? 2. That's how I add. Divide by 2 because I added 2. Good question. Hay que ser número 2, 5, 8 y 9. Yes. El de enfrente del número 5 y atrás 2, 5, 8 y 9. 2, 5, 8 y 9. Por eso nos hacen. El frente son más fáciles, el de atrás es más difícil. Really big numbers, so what would you do? How would you tackle those? What's one way I taught you? One way is to think about it, and those numbers are pretty hard to think about. So what's our second way? Remember, if there's 2 numbers, add and divide by 2. If there's 2 numbers, add and divide by 2. Cross them out, show your work. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. What's up? 9. Great job. Yes. You need help?
What?
What? He needs help.
I know, that's the first one.
The only thing I need help is like just like the math and the order.
Yeah, she's like,
All right. Okay. Okay. So Axel, what is your answer for number 2?
3.5.
Yeah. So we cross them out. And you're left with 3 and 4. If I add 3 plus 4, I get 7. And 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. All right. Number 5. What is your answer for number 5, guys? 25?
2.5.
Oh, scared me. I don't know. All right. Number 8.
Oh, 98.5.
Okay. Did you add?
97.
I added that.
All right. Well, think about it. Is 82 in the middle of these two numbers? So, if you're having a problem with these and you get a weird answer like 82, you ask yourself, is 82 in the middle of this? No. So you know you did something wrong. Okay. For this one, I need to add these two numbers. So I need to add 99 plus 95. What's 99 plus 95? 194? 194. Is that my answer? No. Is 194 in the middle? No, it's too big. So now I have to take 194 and divide it by 2. What's in the middle of 95 and 98?
147. I mean,
18. 18. So it's 9. 6, 8.
97.
Oh, very good. All right. The next one. The last one. Which two numbers do you end up with? Which two numbers? 5 and 5. You end up with
It's nice.
like these two, or right? 5 and 5. What's in the middle of 5 and 5? 5. What if you're like, I don't know, Miss O'Malley? I'm like, okay, cool. What's 5 plus 5? 10. What's 10 divided by 2?
5. So it's 5?
It's 5. In the middle of 5 and 5 is 5.
wait, what's number 8?
194 divided by 2. I didn't give you the final answer. You have to do it.
97.
All right. Okay. Remember how I said we were going to stop our notes and then come back to them? So now we're going to come back to them. With glee.
Huh?
With glee. Happiness. All right. Mode.
No one's happy.
All right, Marley, so we're going to switch back to our notebooks.
What mode's for you?
Yes. We should never complain about mode. Mode is the easiest one.
Do we know mode is easy?
All right. What do you need, Javier? Rest. Well, I'm teaching. This is the more part. When I'm done teaching, you gotta catch me when I'm not teaching. Direct teaching. Okay. What is mode? What is mode?
Wait, are you spelling it or?
The definition. All right. Mode is the number that
The biggest one?
repeats the most. Okay? Mode is the number that repeats the most. Did we experience this yesterday too? Was it this class?
Someone screaming?
Yeah. Or was it my second period? Okay. They're teaching them math. All right. So, the number that repeats the most. The number that repeats the most. That's just it. It's the number that repeats the most. There's no adding. There's no dividing. This is the easiest one. Because all you have to do is look. Okay, I kept track of my mile time. Okay, on Monday, I ran the mile in 7 minutes. Totally. Then I was tired. So then the next day, you write this down. I did the mile in 10 minutes. Because I was tired, you know. I walked for 10 seconds. But then on Wednesday, because I knew it was a modified day and I had to finish it fast, I did it in 7 again.
But it's half miles.
Oh.
I know, it's like half.
So did I do a half mile for 7 minutes? That's terrible.
That's terrible. She's done it in like 4 minutes.
Alright. Then on Friday, I was really tired. So I did it in 15 minutes.
Bad job. That was like a walk.
So, what would you say is our mode? Which number repeats the most? 7. So, my mode in regards to my mile time is 7. Yep. Alright. Then, how many calls did Miss O'Malley make?
6.
She made 1 during break, which is a true story. I'm going to be making 3 when you leave.
What?
Yesterday I made 1. Maybe tomorrow I'll do 2. And then on Friday, 2. You never know. Edward, do we write this down?
It's 2, right? Oh, wait, it's 1 and 2. Is that just like say 1 and 2? That's like dividing it?
So, which number, or in this case, numbers, repeated the same amount of time? 2. Paren de mirarse. Están mirando la clase, se están mirando cada quien. Mejor no se vean. Vean la clase, pero entre ustedes no se miren. 1 and 2. So sometimes you have 2 numbers that repeat the same amount. This one repeated and this one repeated. So our mode is 1 and 2. Our mode is 1 and 2. Sometimes you can have more than 1 mode. All right, then I went around the room and I said, hey, how many A's do you have? And the student said, I have 6 A's, Miss Emma. I have straight A's. And then someone else said, I have 5. My grade dropped down. And someone else said, I have 4 A's. Oh, okay.
Someone has 0.
3, 2, 1, 0. And someone had 0 A's. Sad day. I have. Good. Okay. What is the mode?
Nothing.
Yeah. So what do I write down for my test? What would be the correct answer?
0.
You can't write 0 because 0 sees, 0 repeated? No, it did not. So we will write none or no mode because none of the numbers repeated. So I cannot officially say 0. 0 is a number.
Wait, why is there no?
We are still recording, guys. So let's not.
What's up, John? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be reading about 6 7. Yo,
All right.
Is this our homework?
Does it say homework on top?
No, it doesn't say homework.
did not say homework.
Okay. Listen up.
I don't really want.
Everyone has a worksheet? You can stay in your seat. You know, I can always collect it with you. We don't want. Okay. So, mode is the number that repeats the most. So let's look at you should see sheet 1 on the top. Yeah, number 1 on the top. Make sure you see number 1 on the top. Okay. the backside says 2. Okay, number 1. Of these numbers, which one repeats?
4.
4. So,
I was reading
Marley.
Okay, number 10, guys.
That one's wrong. 7.
No, stop.
I did not mean to do that one.
I know, but put on the floor, please. Okay,
That was awesome.
if you can, Jacob, do it in your head, figure out which one's the one that repeats the most. You don't have to put them in order. But if you're like, I don't see it, put them in order. So try it without, and if you don't make a mistake, then you can continue. Okay, number 2. Look at number 2. Which number repeats the most?
On the back. On the back? Yeah.
Most.
Oh, was we good sheet 1 or sheet 2?
23.
You're gonna number 10 on the back.
For number 10? Hey, look at the packet number 10. I saw.
Look at number 10. 10 on the back. What?
I didn't get 23.
No, this one.
Wait, for number 3 is 23? For number 3.
I don't know, for 2 is
23.
Wait, we're working on this right now?
No!
5 minutes.
Oh, it is?
And it's 3 minutes.
There's also another one. There's also another one.